So first, when you get into this, it's actually going to be about this small. You may want to zoom it up to 100%, and you can use your slides here. And there also is a slide bar, whoops, across the bottom that you can use as well. Let me go back. So you're just going to follow along the directions. There are talks about, changing the text, the color, drawing, highlighting, changing fonts. If you want to use all those things, there is plenty of that. You don't absolutely need that though at all. Also, a lot of times if you need to circle or put squares around things, they're already here because this is all interactive. And you'll be using this. You can see there's pink boxes all through it. And let me just zoom into that. And that's what you're typing in. What you're following along with to type in, whoops, is the slideshow that I went over on Tuesday. So here, topic question 1, what is there a need for the metric system? So if you look at this right here, topic question 1, you would type that. And then it goes through, you can see how it's kind of all these pieces. The metric system is used, and if you look back here, imperial units for mass, ton, you can see imperial units, length, fluid. You can find a lot of the answers in here for what you want, and it all shows you the topic question 1, so you know where you are. The imperial system units are based on, acquainted, and so on, everything. So when you move on to topic question 2, what makes the metric system easy? Here's topic question 2. You can see and follow along. And you're going to use that slideshow to follow along and complete this. At the end is where all the practice is. And I actually did a few of these for you in the slideshow on Tuesday. If you need some help, let me know, but you're filling these in. Use that slide tool. You can go back here. Remember, moving your decimal back and forth from where you need it. If it's a whole number and there's no decimal, then you know that that decimal is always to the right there. It's invisible, but it is there. And that is it.